Hello, my name is Kunal Doshi, chartered financial analyst, and this video I have just uploaded short instructions basically about the level 2 recordings of my revision batch which I just conducted. I'm just uploading those 10 videos of my revision course where you can see topic wise all the revision which I had done quickly in the class. This is some of the video that I had from one of my previous batches, so I thought I'll upload that. Here I've done a quick revision of a class which had already finished around 140-150 hours of the live training. So this is a snapshot of what we did in level 2. You might see it very fast and you might see a lot of things I have done in a quick manner. I've skipped a lot of things because we were doing a quick revision there and I was explaining them as to what they should do at the last moment because many of the things we had already covered previously. So don't do too much of judging about the course. In reality, the course is much detailed, much complex. We've done a lot of practice in the live class, and then that was a quick revision that I was doing with these guys. So it was an amazing batch. We had people from most of the students were actually from Africa, also from US, Canada, India, UAE, everywhere. So it was a very nice batch, and a lot of students there have given their inputs and all in the class, so you'll enjoy it. But go with the intention of doing this only if you've done the syllabus once. Otherwise, I don't recommend you all to basically go with this program because otherwise it will be too fast for you and a lot of things will be bouncer. So I would recommend you to watch these videos only as a revision if you've completed the syllabus once. Otherwise, I don't recommend you all to watch this because a lot of students from my level 1 fast track, when they go through that videos, they say, sir, I need more understanding of it. So don't watch randomly. This is a revision of those who've completed the whole syllabus. I hope you like it. If you really like it, enjoy it, share it with others. And by the way, I'm actually going to do a live batch of the new level 2 course along with my own notes, which were as amazing as you must have seen my level 1 revision book. So you will basically, those who want to join the live batch, they'll get access to the notes, they'll get access to the full course, the fast track. It's a very nice batch, and I've worked a lot in creating my own notes and formulas for level 2 because in reality the level 2 is too huge to cover up, and the traditional notes that you have are too much. A lot of things is noise in the syllabus, so you need to cut down that and focus on the case studies or vignettes as we call. So I've done a recording of that and a live batch of that is coming up. So I would recommend, if you are really keen on doing it from the scratch, join that. Otherwise, if you just want to have a glimpse of what I do or what I've done in my existing batch, you can very much enjoy this video. All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Enjoy the training, enjoy the reading, enjoy the lectures, go through it and put across all your comments and all your feedback. I'll be very happy to see you in level 2 and later on in level 3 as well. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.